Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. We're talking about arbitraging.company. Yeah, we're talking about this new Apex land. Yeah, Apex land. Seems like it. Anyway, Apex is live and it's making tokens for me. I hope it's making tokens for you. Those tokens will add up and we'll be able to get them off and we'll be able to make some money. I'm excited. Right now, we're still waiting for our liquidity. It's coming. They're still supposed to put our AUSD into our account so we can trade it. At that time, things will happen, good and bad, and things will start moving. That's when things will change, not till any time other. Because that money's got to go someplace, whether it's in our pockets or somebody else's. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited. I can't wait. But right now, I'm trading. I've got a little wedge that I found on the 1 minute chart on the Bitcoin tethered to US dollar. And I'm waiting to see which way it's going to break. I was hoping it'd break down because it came from the bottom up. Usually when it does that, it continues the same way. So it's probably going to break to the upside. Or it could break down. I got these other trend lines I found through here. And if it broke down to finish the rectangle, it would come to the bottom. But nobody knows. Got to wait for it to break. Now, there are things called head fakes. It will break out and go right back in and trick you. Happens all the time. You have to be careful. And there's no wet in them. That's what the stop loss is for. So we'll see. We'll see which way this thing wants to go. Because the market's going to go where the market wants to go, that's for sure. Nobody can ever predict it. We can use things to get an idea of what it's doing. That's why I like trend lines. Trend lines gives me an idea. Moving out in history gives me an idea. So this thing could just be a large rising wedge and wanting to go down all the way down to the bottom. That would be nice. Oh, I lose my trend line. Come on, stay with me. See if I can get this to continue. I think you get the idea. So that would be a long, big rising wedge. And if that's the case, that could drop all the way down to the bottom. But right now we're breaking the top of this triangle, going to the top of the wedge again, which would be this wedge up here. So we could try to buy, to put a long in. See if we can make some money going to the top. Won't be a lot, but it'll be money. Be tokens. There we go. We hit the top. We'll close this. One more push up. There we go. It's trying. Definitely not a big trade, but it's still a trade. There we go. Close that one out for a win. Now we'll be looking for a sell trade. We'll trade this one back down, see what happens. Now it's sure testing the top of that. Oh, we're trying to break through. See if it'll hold it. It's trying to hold it, coming back in. Now if we're correct, this thing will bounce around in here for a while until it wants to drop. If this is a rising wedge, if we're seeing what we're supposed to be seeing. Also, a rising wedge can turn into a channel real quick. Just draw the other diagonal part off of this and it end up being a channel. Make this small. And if it's a channel, that would be the channel, and this would be the midpoint coming through here, a center point. Just in case. Sometimes it doesn't. So if it does break out of here, it's going to come down to here. Just good to know where it might go. Okay, we're starting to gain some money here. That's good. Some tokens. It's like our video's almost all done. Well, at least we can see that it is a rising wedge and that it will probably keep going until it drops, and it will come down to here eventually. No guarantee, but it's something to go with, something to help you make money. It's technical analysis with trend lines. So we're coming down to this one. Whether it breaks or not, we don't know. You can get one more push down. There we go. We got a winner. Now this could keep going or could bounce around some more and then drop. If so, we'll catch that one later. Anyway, we got a rising wedge. We had a triangle. We have a rectangle. There's a lot of stuff to look at, but it all helps you find trades. And that's what's important. So anyway, guys, have a great day. Have a good Tuesday. Stay Apex strong. We'll talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.